Prepworks by Progressive Adjust-A-Slice Mandoline in-depth reviews. This product has 4.6 stars based on 7,034 ratings and 990 reviews. 90% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 5% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Perfect mandoline. No fuss or hassle. This is my first mandoline, so I'm not expert, but this thing is fantastic. I hate a hassle and won't use something if I need to take it apart or wash it by hand, etc. This mandoline is made for those, like me, who love easy and simple gadgets without the fuss while still getting results. Again, it's my first, so I can't compare the results, but I love thinly slicing watermelon, radish and other for garnish in bowls, see picture. I would never be able to cut a radish like that. I cut it thinly lengthwise after I use the mandoline, but it's all done in a matter of a minute. You don't need to remove the blade, you can wash it in the dishwasher, and determining thickness is as simple as moving a button to 1, 2, or 3. I use it with the gripper and bought the No Cry gloves separately. I'm dangerous in the kitchen. Next to Vitamix, this is my favorite kitchen gadget I purchased this year. It's insanely affordable too. I highly recommend. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Design flaw: limited use with larger fruits/veggies. I already have an OXO mandoline slicer set that I like and use quite a bit. However, the set is limited as to the thickness of the slices, so I got this because of good reviews and because it was small, didn't give me more than what I needed, which was the adjustable thickness slicer only. Unfortunately, there seems to be 2 design flaws in the thing. First, is that the mandoline has a lip at the very end so that anything you slice that is a large vegetable or fruit hits against the lip. Think sweet potatoes or cucumbers that you're slicing lengthwise. Basically, you can at most get a slice that's 4 to 5 inches in length, and then it starts to butt up against the lip of the mandoline, and that's as far as you can slice. With softer large fruits/veggies, this may not be a problem as they'll just curl and perhaps you can keep slicing, but I tried it with sweet potatoes and it was a struggle. Ended up with many broken pieces. The second flaw is that the adjustability mechanism for the thickness creates a sort of wedge shape that makes it so that the trailing edge of the fruit/veggie gets caught at that wedge. So even with an apple, which is nowhere near as hard as a potato, I would slice once and then grab the slice from underneath the mandoline meat to free it from where it was stuck in between the blade and the adjustable plastic plate. Very frustrating. Obviously, this is going back. Even with a standard Fuji apple, I couldn't do lengthwise cuts on a quartered apple without the fruit getting stuck after each slice. I finally had to do cross slices, which was stupidly smaller than what I needed. Shouldn't be this hard. Returned. That's it.
The Adjust-A-Slice Mandoline Slicer gives you 3 thickness options: thin, medium, and thick, making it simpler than ever to bring a variety of fruits and vegetables to your table. Let me show you how it works. Simply set the blade to the desired thickness with this slicing knob. Then you can either hold the slicer at an angle against a cutting board or rest it over a bowl. The many side grooves allow the mandoline slicer to fit over a variety of bowls. Carefully slide the food over the blade a few times to get a flat base. Now, secure the food with the finger guard and slide the food over the blade to get perfect slices.